What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so we are given f of x here. All right, so this thing right here is lowercase f of x. So the uppercase f of x is I'm taking this graph right here and I'm making a transformation. So I want to take these points right here, right? So I have -1, 1, actually, let's go in order. -3, -2. I have -1, 1, and I have 3, -4. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, when I look at this right here, order of operation tells me parentheses first. So I will have to deal with this part first. So let's go ahead and I'm going to highlight it in red. So this is, actually, let's do it this way. There we go. So I got to do parentheses first. So inside the parentheses, everything's backwards and backwards. So the order of operation is backwards. So I have to do the addition, subtraction first. And then the operation itself is backwards. So since this is saying +2, I have to subtract 2. And everything inside the parentheses also affects only the x value. So this is telling me to take the x value and subtract 2. So let me go ahead and do this. So I'll put it out here. Subtract, well, this is a shift left 2 units. Okay, which means take the x value and subtract 2. So you notice I'm writing underneath the x values. There we go. I'm subtracting 2 from the x value. So I got -5, -2. I have -3, 1. And I have a 1, -4. Okay? So that part is done. Now that I've got that done, I had multiplying by nothing. So that means I'm not dividing anything either. So my everything inside the parentheses is done. So I come back outside the parentheses. Next thing is exponents. None of it. Multiplication, division. None of it, because it would be up here if we're going to multiply by anything. And then last, addition or subtraction. So my next thing that I have to do is going to be this piece right here. All right. So what does this affect? This is outside the parentheses, so it's affecting the y value. Because if you look at it, this is really saying f of x minus 1. Right? So it's saying take the y value and subtract 1 from it. So this is going to be a shift down 1 unit. So I'm subtracting 1 from the y value. So notice I put it under the y value and I'm subtracting 1 from the y value. So my point is going to be a -5, -3, -3, 0, and 1, -5. So these will be the points that I'm going to plot as my final destination. So my final destination was -5, -3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -3. So it's right here. And then -3, 0 here. And 1, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be the line. Whoa. Yeah, I did that wrong. This should be right here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here. Okay. So yeah, this point was wrong there. There we go. And then I got this point here. And there we go. All right, so what I'm actually going to do is I want to take this right here and actually make that to be a dotted, because that is in the past. There we go. And the actual is the blue. All right, so that's what happened. So if you look at it, if I took this point right here, look at what happened. I shift left 2 and I shift down 1. Boom, right there. Shift left 2, down 1. Boom, right there. Shift left 2, down 1. Boom, right there. Okay, so if we look at what we're given, and the ones with these points is going to be choice, actually, I should probably use in blue, is choice D. And there we go. I hope that helps. Any questions, let me know. See ya. Bye.